I'll see if I can take out the power cord first. Warning! We got a warning!
Eastern Daylight Time. It's 11:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles east of North Cape to 13 nautical miles southeast of Gold Harbor of Refuge to 12 nautical miles southeast of Burn Pier, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Put-in Bay and Kelly's Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Wow. Detroit River to Maumee Bay, Ohio to Reno Beach. Wow. There's the polygon.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Wood County in northwestern Ohio, Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Sylvania to Holland Lighthouse, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toledo, Perrysburg, Oregon, Sylvania, Rossford, Waterville, Northwood, White House, Genoa, Holland, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Walbridge, Gilbury, Clay Center, Harborview, Reno Beach, Williston, Roanoke, and Stony Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, Ottawa, and Wood.
Get out of the way. Excuse me. FFW. I'm trying to eat my McDonald's.
A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio, north central Wood County in northwestern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Hey, we're getting a lightning signature
1
now.
and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Wait, how many inches?
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Toledo, Oregon, Rossford, Northwood, Maumee, Ottawa Hills, Harborview, Reno Beach, and Roanoke. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Lucas, and Wood.
Come get you some Mickey D!
capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles north of western Vermilion to 15 nautical miles north of Avon Point to 10 nautical miles north of Lorraine Harbor, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva on the Lake. The extended forecast for north central Ohio. Saturday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Cooler with highs in the upper 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the mid-50s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
What the hell? I just put my camera down.
It was cloudy with a temperature of 84 at Brook Lake, 77 at Mansfield, 82 at Canton Airport, 80 at Youngstown, and 75.
Oh, the first one didn't go off.
Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. Eastern daylight time, 2.66, and the relative humidity was recorded for 12 miles northwest of Fremont, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fort Clinton, Put-in Bay, Oak Harbor, Genoa, Elmore, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Rocky Ridge, and Clay Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Ottawa, Ohio.
I just put my camera away. Jeez. Sorry, resetting the clock on my Honeywell over here. Trying to see if I can get it to sync. Hello. Wow.
Point to Willowwood and Lake Erie from Avon Point to Willowwood beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 464, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Cuyahoga, Ohio, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Willowwood and Lake Erie from Avon Point to Willowwood beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 464 has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Cuyahoga, Ohio, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Willowwood and Lake Erie from Avon Point to Willowwood beyond 5 miles from shore.
Holy shit!
The current time is 1:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio WNG 698 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for North Central Ohio over station WMG 690.
They gave me no time to react as soon as the IEM notification dropped. God damn.
On the latest weather map, a cold front moves southeast across the area.
Take cover. They're gonna do it again. Watch. Here it comes. Rain warning for Avon Point to Winlick. There it goes.
At 1:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of Putumayo to near Kelly's Island to near Sandusky Bay, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sandusky Bay, Lorraine Harbor, Western Vermilion, Huron, Vermilion, and Cleveland. The forecast for north central Ohio. This afternoon, showers with thunderstorms likely. Highs in the lower 80s. Temperature falling.
Don't know what's going on with my zone guard and why it's not
West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
activating properly, but
Rain near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers
oh,
and
that's right, it doesn't
thunderstorms
recognize
in the
those
evening,
codes.
then partly cloudy after midnight. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 467, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Jersey, and Harrison. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 467 remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties: Carroll, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for open waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 19 nautical miles northwest of Willow Wick, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
Hi, we're happy you're here. Oh, great, nice to hear. Now give me my fucking Mickey teeth.
I'll see if I can take out the power cord first.